Good editing videos gains more views. If your script is really good, but your editing in the video is not really good, then you can gain less views because audience not engage in your video and leave that. So I made this Capcut video to become a pro level editor. I teach you many things in this tutorial. I divide the video in 2 parts. This is the first part. So let's start the video. First one is mind chopping animation. Select one image that is used for mind chopping animation. Select the background and also character image. Go to cutout and click on auto cutout. Go to mask option and click on circle. Adjust the size of circle masking. Click on reverse option. Then copy this image again and paste it on second layer. This copied image is on second layer. Select the second layer and again click on reverse option and masking. Download this type of background image. I already downloaded it. Adjust this background according to the brain size. Select the icon that you want to see coming out from the brain. I select this icon. Remove the background. Adjust this icon size. Put the keyframe at the first. And move this icon up. And put the second keyframe. Select the layer 2 for the icon. Put the keyframes according to the icon movement. Put the keyframe at the first. And move this head upside. And second keyframe at some distance. Select your logo or image. And put the keyframe at the first. Move this logo and put keyframes at some distance. Now you can see it's super easy and cool. Select the image. I already downloaded this Ronaldo image. Adjust it according to the sound. Go to mask option and select the mirror mask. Now put the keyframe at the first, and then move this, put the keyframes at some distance. Select the shake effect. Now you can see it really works. Download one image and video for this. Put the video on second layer, image on first layer, extend the image to last the video, and go to cutout and select the chroma key and click on green screen. Turn the strength and shadow to 100%. Adjust the video and the screen according to the screen ratio. You can see it adjust perfectly. Zoom in the image and put the keyframe at the first, and again zoom in, put the second keyframe and place the keyframes at some distance and zoom in. Then same keyframes that we put in image, put on the video. Now I play this, you can see it's looking well. Are you looking for a video how to create the talking mouth animation in Capcut? You can make video like this by just following my steps. From this type of video, you can upload faceless videos. Let's start the video. Open Google and search Lexica. So it's open and search for Anime Boy. So scroll down and there are a lot of characters. Select one of them. I select this and download it. Open new tab and search Canva and open it. I use Canva because we need to remove the mouth from the face. Open your character in Canva. Click on Edit Photo, click on Magic Remover. Now remove the mouth. It may take some while. Click on Share and go to Download option and download it. Again, go to Lexica and search Anime Studio. Scroll down and you can see there are a lot of studios to download. But these are with characters, we need a studio without character. So I select this and download. I download more studios for video. Open new tab and search for Woodtable PNG. Go to images. There are a lot of images, but download that is looking good and in HD quality. So I select this one for my video. I download this image. Next step, search for mic for table PNG. Scroll down. So I select this and download this image. Next step, search for computer screen PNG. Scroll down to find the best image for our video. Select this image. You can choose any. I select this image. Download it. Next step is very important. Open Capcut and import all downloaded files in it. Follow my all steps. This green screen talking mouth download from YouTube. Adjust this to according to clip. Go to cutout option and select chroma key. Adjust it to the face and turn shadow and strength to 100%. Now I play this, you can see it's looking very well. select the two videos. Put the first video on layer. Cut the video main part. I select the minimum part of the video. Go to mask option and select the horizontal masking option. Turn it to 90 degree and take this horizontal line to at first of the video. Put the keyframe at the first of the video and move this horizontal line to the end of the video and put the keyframes at some distance. After this, select the second layer and put it on second layer. Now it's ready. I play this.